Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're passionate about transforming discarded wood into beautiful, profitable furniture. Stay tuned for creative ideas and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring craft and decor content. Join us on this eco-friendly journey today. Transform your living space with vibrant flower-inspired wall art. Use colorful sari fabrics to create layered floral designs that add a lively touch to any room. This craft is easy to customize with different fabrics and colors, making your wall a stunning focal point filled with cultural elegance. Create beautiful textile flower panels using sari fabrics. Sew or glue fabric petals onto a canvas or wooden frame to craft 3D floral decorations. These panels bring texture and depth to your wall decor, perfect for adding a touch of traditional beauty and vibrant colors to your home. Design eye-catching flower garlands from sari fabric flowers. Hang these garlands across walls or around mirrors to infuse a festive, cheerful atmosphere. This simple craft enhances your wall decor with bright colors and intricate flower designs, suitable for both everyday decor and special occasions. Make large fabric flower wall hangings as statement pieces. Use sari fabrics to craft oversized blooms, which can be suspended from hooks or rods. These hangings bring a soft, elegant touch to your wall, perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or entryways, adding cultural charm. Frame fabric flowers made from sari textiles to create unique art pieces. Arrange different flower shapes and colors within decorative frames for a gallery wall effect. This craft allows you to showcase your creativity while adding a personalized, floral touch to your interior decor. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and interest in sustainable furniture making. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tips and ideas. Together, we can create beautiful, eco-friendly pieces and make a positive impact.